to build a skid plate for the back of the Land Cruiser today. I don't know how, but one of the viewers on YouTube saw this. Now, I'm going to take a piece of 3/16 steel and make one bend right here, wrapping around the tank. But this is going to be too wide to fit in my bender that I have. I have a 19-inch wide Swag off-road press brake, and I can't get this in that. So I'm going to show you some different techniques for doing that at home today. I'm going to cut it a little bit wider than this, and I'm going to build wings go around the edge here. That way the side of the tank is protected here as well, and it'll provide some strength to the underneath piece of it. I'm going to do is draw a line across this, score it with a die grinder, and I'm going to bend it around the bench here, and then I'll weld it back up. Pretty happy with it. I've got the underneath done, and then I've got these wings built for the sides. And then what I'm going to do here is I'm going to build some brackets on the side of those wings to go right up there to the frame, and I'll just put one bolt into the frame right there.